The 2026 Honda Civic steps into a new generation with refined styling, better efficiency, and a versatile lineup of gas and hybrid models. If you want a compact car that balances everyday usability with modern features, this Civic is a strong pick. What's new for 2026? There are no radical redesigns this year. Instead, Honda carries forward the refreshed look and interior from the previous generation. Hybrid models get slight tuning improvements for smoother operation. Some trims see nicer wheel designs and upgraded comfort features, but the core character remains. Engine and performance-based gasoline models use a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 150 horsepower and 133 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission driving the front wheels. Hybrid versions use a two-motor hybrid system combining electric motors with the gas engine to produce a combined output of 200 horsepower. The Civic Si trim uses a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 200 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque, offered with a 6-speed manual transmission. Inside, the cabin mixes modern simplicity with practical features. All trims include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Higher trims get upgraded materials, larger displays, and more comfort touches. The sedan's trunk offers about 14.8 cubic feet of cargo space. Every 2026 Civic includes the Honda Sensing Safety Suite, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and more. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are standard or widely available across trims. The price of the 2026 Honda Civic starts at $25,790 and goes up to $34,690 depending on trim and options. For most buyers, the base or hybrid trims hit the sweet spot of efficiency, comfort, and features. If you want more driving excitement, the Si gives you sportier performance. The 2026 Civic continues Honda's tradition of making compact cars that work well in daily life, without compromising on style or tech. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're always in the front seat. See you in the next ride.